Photosynthesis is process used by plants and other organisms to convert light energy normally from the sun into chemical energy that can be later released through the organism actives. Energy transformation. This chemical energy is stored in carbohydrates molecules such as sugars, which are synthesis from carbon dioxide and water. Hence, the name photosynthesis from the Greek "phos" and synthesis, putting together. In most cases, oxygen is also released as waste product. Most plants, most algae, and cyanobacteria perform photosynthesis. Such organisms are called photoautotrophs. Photosynthesis maintains atmospheric oxygen levels and supply of the organized compound and most of energy necessary for life on Earth. Although photosynthesis is performed differently by different species, the process always begins when energy from light is absorbed by protein called reaction century and contain green chlorophyll to pigments. In plants, these proteins are held inside organelles called chloroplasts, which are most abundant the leaf cell, while in bacteria they are embedded the plasma membrane. In this light-dependent reactions, form energy is due to tip electrons from suitable substance, such as water, producing oxygen gas. The hydrogen freed by water splitting is used in the creation of two future compounds, reduced nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate NADPH and adenosine diphosphate ATP. The energy currency of cells in plants, algae, and cyanobacteria sugars and produced by a subcute of light independent reaction called the Kevin cycle, but some bacteria use different mechanisms, such as the liver Krebs cycle. In the Kevin cycle, atmosphere carbon dioxide and incorporated the already exiled organized carbon compounds such as ribulose biphosphates RUBH. Using the ATP and NADPH product by the light-dependent reactions, the resulting compounds are then reduced and removed to form future carbohydrates such glucose. The first photosynthesis organism probably involved early the evolutionary history of light and most likely used reducing agents such as hydrogen or hydrogen sulfate, rather than water as source of electron. Cyanobacteria appear later in excess oxygen. The produced contribute to the oxygen catastrophe, which render the evolution of complex life possible today. The upward rate of energy capture by photosynthesis globally is approximately 130 terawatts, which is about 3 times the current power consumption of human civilization. Photosynthesis organisms also cover around 100 to 165,000 million metric tons of carbon into biomass per year.